Hello everyone, welcome to our channel CK. Today I have taken a chapter electric current and its effect from class 7 subject science. As you know, electricity is the most versatile source of energy available on earth and therefore it plays a very important part in our lives. You have already learned about an electric circuit in your previous class. What are the elements or parts of an electric circuit? You have used a cell, a switch, an electric bulb or torch bulb connected with wires made up of conducting material to make an electric circuit. So, dear, let's get start our session. So, first of all, I would like to introduce you symbols of electric components. First, symbol of electric current, electric cell. As you seen on the screen, electric cell, it is very familiar about you. Electric cell has a positive terminal and a negative terminal. The symbols of an electric cell has a longer line and a shorter line. The longer line is the positive terminal and the shorter line is the negative terminal. This is negative terminal and that is positive terminal. Now the second, electric bulb. You are very familiar about it. So an electric bulb is a device that produces light when an electric current passes through a wire filament that is enclosed in a glass bulb. The filament is made up of tungsten, that is an element which has a higher melting point and can glow without burning. Here is the electric bulb and it is the symbol of the electric bulb. The next, switch in off position. How can you recognize that switch in off position? Switch in off position means a switch in off position is a switch that does not allow the current to flow through the circuit. It creates an open gap between the contacts of the switch which prevents the completion of the circuit. Here is the figure which indicate you and you are very easily recognize it. It is in a off position and the symbol you see in your book like this one, that is the symbol of switch in off position. The next one, switch in on position. When it's connected, you see here and here, and it is the symbol of the switch in on position. A switch in on position is a switch that allows the current to flow through the circuit. It does not create gap between the contacts of the switch, which does not prevent the completion of the circuit. So it is your switch in on position. Next, battery. Today it is playing very important role in our lives. Battery. Somewhere, and you also using this one as a inverter. So it's required to know that battery and symbol here. It has a 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. A battery is a device that produces electricity from chemical reaction. It consists of one or more cells that have positive and negative terminals when the terminals are connected to an external circuit. The battery provides power to the device in the circuit. You see here one or more cell, that is one cell, that is one cell, that is one cell, more than one. Okay. Connecting cell together. You see here how here batteries are connected. So if you connect 1.2 volt, 1.2 volt, 1.2 volt like this, so we get 3.6 volt. It is a holder. You recognize very well. So what is a simple electric circuit? A simple electric circuit can be made by using a cell, electric bulb, switch and wire. You see here is a cell, here is a wire connected with the bulb, and here is the switch. We use the septic pin to complete this circuit. Now next, a simple electric circuit. Closed electric circuit, that means switch on. You can see, you can draw it on your paper and understand very well. Open electric circuit, if you switch off, then it's called open electric circuit. Now come to the point, heating effect of electric current. When electric current flows through a wire, the wire gets heated. This is called the heating effect of electric current. Before, I want to know, electric current flows, the free electrons can then be pushed along through substances called conductor. The flow of electric charge, that is electrons, through a conductor is called electric current. And you are very familiar about that. An electron is an atomic particles carrying a negative electric charge. And electrons exist in all atoms and can be removed from the atoms of certain elements quite easily. Now come to the next line. The heating effect of electric current is the phenomenon where an electric current passing through a conductor produces heat due to the resistance encountered by the electrons in motion. Just I have explained what is the function of electrons. This is exemplified in application like incandescent light bulbs and electric heater. Next one. Heating effect of electric current. Activity, through activity we try to understand. Make an electric circuit as shown in figure. Take a 10 centimeter long nichrome wire and tie it between the two nails. Here is the nails, two nails. This is a nichrome wire. Switch on the current. After a few seconds, touch the wire. The wire feels hot. Then switch off the current. After a few seconds, touch the wire again. It does not feel hot. This shows that when electric current flows through a wire, it gets heated. Means when current flow in the wire, that give us heat. Here is the nail, you can see. Use of heating effect of electric current. We are very familiar about the electrical appliance. Now, the heating effect of electric current is used in electrical appliances like electric heater here, electric iron here, electric room heater here, immersion heater, electric kettle, hair dryer. Hair dryer you can see in the salon. It is an electric kettle. All these appliances have a coil of wire called an element. When electric current flows through the element, it becomes hot and gives out heat. Gives out heat. Again you have listened, heat. The amount of heat produced in a wire depends upon its material, length and thickness. These things you see in your book, and also you will learn further about in the form of your explanation in class 10. Electric fuse. It is very important playing role in our houses, in any organization. Electric fuse is a safety device used in electric circuit. electrical circuits, which protects the electrical circuits and appliances and prevents fires. Electrical fuse is used in electrical circuits in buildings. Electric fuse has a wire which melts quickly and break when large electric current flow through it. You can see here through the picture, you can understand what is the important role of the fuse in our household or building. Magnetic effect of electric current. Magnetic effect of electric current means when electric current flow through a wire, it behaves like a magnet. This is called magnetic effect of electric current. When current flows through a wire, it's, it behaves like a magnet. So you can say that it is a magnetic effect of electric current. Activity: take the cardboard tray from a matchbox. Wind an electric wire a few times around the cardboard tray. You can see here. Place a small compass needle inside it. Connect the free ends of the wire to an electric cell through a switch. When the switch is on, the compass needle deflects. When the switch is off, the compass needle comes back to its original position. This shows that when electric current flows through a wire, it behaves like a magnet. Right? Okay, next slide. Electromagnet is what? You take an iron nail and wire insulated a wire. You can wire wounded on the nail and battery connect and switch connect. Let's get see here. When electric current is passes through a coil of insulated wire wound around a piece of iron, here wounded, it becomes a magnet. Such as magnet is called an electromagnet. It is produced, it is prepared by the electricity, so it is called electromagnet. Activity can give us the main idea. Wind a piece of insulated wire around an iron nail in the form of coil. Connect the free ends of the wire to an electric cell through a switch. Please place some pins near the nail. When electric current is passed, the iron nail becomes a magnet and attracts the pins. When electric current is switched off, the nail loses its magnetism. When you remove the electricity flow, then it loses its magnetism, right? And when you have to apply the current, it's again become, it's get the magnetism. Now, electric bell. Nowadays, you seen in office, in school, and different places. Now see what is the structure of that. By this one, you can understand. The electric bell has a coil of wire wound around a piece of iron which acts like an electromagnet. Previous we have done. An iron strip with a hammer is kept close to the electromagnet. There is a contact screw near the iron strip. When the iron strip is in contact with the screw, current flows through the coil and becomes an electromagnet. It pulls the iron strip and hammer at the end of the strip strikes the gong of the bell and produces sound. When the electromagnet pulls the iron strip, it also breaks the circuit and the iron strip comes back to the original position and the process repeats and the bell rings. So I tried to make you understand what is the importance of the electrical appliance and electricity in your life. So it will be help you to enhance your knowledge regarding the appliance and electricity. And dear everyone, that's it for today. Thank you. Have a nice day, all of you.